Hello from sunny Las Vegas.
Hello, hello.
A little breezy today, so we apologize about the noise factor. You want to tag me? Am I taggable?
Tag friends. Yes. Yes, you are tagged now.
All right, good. Yeah, so today's topic, what fixed points of view are ruling your life? It's a very interesting topic.
Yeah. What is a fixed point of view?
Any conclusion that we have about something about who we are or the way the world is,
Yeah.
I would say.
Yep.
Yeah, so whether it's something that you want to do with your life, like you have an idea of something that would be interesting to do, to create, and not following those dreams because of some fixed point of view that you might have about maybe you're not tall enough, or maybe you don't have the capacities, or you're not smart enough, or whatever those are. Instead of going from that perspective, what if you could just ask what would it take to create this, and not coming from the place of all of the history and the baggage that we have, and the sort of the credentials that we've concluded that are our strengths and our weaknesses. What if we just come from a place of question, and what would it take to create whatever it is you desire?
Yeah. Yeah. The thing with the fixed point of view at the energetic level is that the energy is there in our universe. We just crossed the street now.
It's
The
pretty windy.
universe is there in our universe, and we believe it's so real. And we believe it's so real. And because we believe it's real, we gave the attention to this. We believe it's true. We believe it is. This is the reality, and it's not something else. So it's more about that. It's more about this. What are these points of view that come back again and again and again, and that you believe you cannot change, and you believe that are so true, so real, that they are bigger than you. Its point of view is something that you believe you cannot change as well. You believe that it is there, this is how it is, and I cannot change it. But what if points of views are only interesting point of view? What if everything is an interesting point of view?
Yeah, it's so easy for us to really just have a fixed belief or a conclusion about what it is, that who we are and what we're capable of. And yeah, it's pretty simple, really. It's like, what would it really take to create something? And just ask a simple question, which I think for myself gives me a little bit more sort of permission, is, hey, I just want to see if I can do this. So it's almost like not really being obligated, not really putting pressure on myself. It's like, hey, just want to see if I can do this. And then coming from that perspective. And again, just approaching every moment as just, what would it take to create this? What's required of me to create whatever it is I desire.
Yeah. Yeah, it says that there's a lot of wind, lots of wind in the background, so maybe if we change the street, there will be less wind. What will it take? And it's the garbage day today.
Yeah, let's go over there.
Yeah.
Say hi to the garbage guy. Awesome.
And you're lucky because you don't have the smell of the garbage here. We have that.
That's the bad. The wind's pretty strong, so
yeah.
It's quick to move on.
And what if we go on the other side? If we'll be with the wind or against the wind? We are against the wind. Yeah. Will it be better? Can we try that?
Going this way?
Yeah. With the wind.
For what?
Well, we
for the
won't
noise?
be against the wind. We'll be with the wind. Well, I wonder if it will be the same. Yeah, maybe it will be better.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let's
And
do
go
it.
this way toward the sun?
Yeah. Toward
Okay.
the sun. So yeah, we're going to have some nice faces, weird
Mhm.
faces because of the sun. But
We'll go back down this way.
while we take for no, there's too much wind.
Okay. Well, I have a whole lot more to say about this topic.
Do we
We've been
have-
asking questions, but you go ahead.
Yeah. So the question that I invite you to ask you is, everywhere that I made this energy, this point of view real, everywhere I made this point of view more potent than I am, that everywhere I believe that this point of view is really who I am. Yeah, all that kind of question. Begin where you are with, yeah, much better. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, Lynn. Yeah, so it's about whatever is there in your universe. It's really to become aware of the thought that you have in relationship to this point of view. What is it? What is your behavior toward this point of view? And it's about destroying and create all that that behavior that you have in regards to this point of view, believing that it's stronger than you, more potent, you cannot change it.
And it's just a habit too. It's like whatever point of view I have about my capacities or deficiencies, it's just a habit that I've adopted and then made real.
Yeah.
It's just whenever when I'm faced with some obstacle or I'm not moving forward, it's just a habit of me recalling some point of view that I say I can't do something. It's not true. It's just a point of view that I have, and it's just a habit to recall that. Like,
Yeah.
oh, well, I've been in this situation before, and yeah, I really have trouble with this, or in the past I've struggled with this. But what if it's not? What if it's just, in the moment you have a possibility of doing something, creating something that's not based on the past.
Yeah, and a lot of people will give their point of view, my point of view is right because this is what I'm living in my life.
Yeah, see
And
the results, see what's...
see the results.
Must be true.
See, that's how it is in my life.
Right.
And what if you are the person who can change this? What if you are, okay, this is there in my life right now because I have this point of view. What if me as a being, you have as a being the potency to transform everything, and you have the potency to transform all your points of view as well.
Yeah.
And when you say transform your point of view, it's about this energy that is this electrical, I call it this electrical charge that is with the point of view. And by choosing to know I am, create and destroy it, and continue to do it again and again, and one day you will perceive that the energy is shifting. It will shift.
It's almost like the habit is changing. You're shifting from one habit to another.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. It's about being. What if it's about that, developing this habit in regards to every point of view that limits you, that keeps you small, where you go back in that space where you used to be. What if it's about becoming aware of all these points of view and choosing one by one. Hi, Catherine. One by one, what am I doing with this point of view? Do I keep it in place? Do I choose to change it? Do I choose to uncreate and destroy the energy that holds it in place? And it's possible that when you begin to uncreate and destroy it, you will have other energies that will come and that will nourish, or that will feed this point of view. I invite you to uncreate and destroy all of that and not making everything real, because this is the potency you are. Everything that is in your life that is real, it's because you gave your attention to this, you gave your approval for this to be there. You aligned and agreed with that.
Yeah, and there's a certain momentum that's with that. Like if I have a habit or a pattern of like making myself wrong or whatever, there's a trajectory that I'm following, and it's easy to follow along that path of destruction because I'm already in that direction and maybe I've been doing it for years. And to make a shift and choose a different path, it's going to take a little bit of effort. It's going to take more focus, and changing that habit or changing my awareness to create something different. It's all about, really just about momentum. Like once we are becoming more successful, you just want to be more successful. We're looking for more success. More things are given to us. We're finding more opportunities. But when we're not successful, maybe we don't have what we desire in life, there's just more of that. We find more obstacles, more ways that we can't create our life, and it's just the same kind of thing. It's like shifting that pathway and developing a new habit of asking, where are my fixed points of view? Where am I stuck today? Like every time I approach a certain topic or a certain idea that I want to do, this thing comes up that tries to stop me. It's like this sort of like a demon energy inside me. It's just that little voice telling me that I can't do something. Becoming aware of that and then asking a different question and recognizing it's just an interesting point of view. It's not really who I am.
Yeah, and one of the things that I use too is it's just an energy.
Mm-hmm.
It's just an energy. It's not who I really am. Would the infinite being that I truly be choose this? No. Okay, so it's just an energy, and this is not who I really am. I truly am, and I'm just repeating this. I am more me as a being. I can choose another energy. I can choose something else, and I just repeat this again and again and again, which allows me to shift my relationship just by saying that and being in the presence of this new reality in regards to this point of view is shifting something there. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Hey, well, thanks for joining us today on a breezy, sunny day in Vegas.
Yeah, we found a shade.
Yeah,
Place
it's
of
very
shade.
nice. And a little bit later today, too. So,
Yeah.
hey, we'll have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.
Bye bye.
Ciao.